Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 10 days of June. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. For additional readings, you can follow me on Instagram. The link of that is also given in the description box below. Okay, so Aquarians, one more shuffle. Okay, let's see what's in store for you, Aquarians. Okay, I will take this and then. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one wants to come out. Okay, good. Guidance from the angels for Aquarians. I feel like taking one more card from this deck. Okay. Message from the universe for Aquarians. Okay, so let's get started, Aquarians. So you are definitely trying to balance a relationship, I think. Definitely trying to balance a situation, a relationship, whatever it is. But you are definitely trying to moderate or balance the relationship to the best of your ability, and you are able to do so. You are able to do so. Either you are balancing a situation or you're balancing your emotions or trying to take a decision, but definitely some sort of balance is or moderation is being done for the achievement or towards achieving a stable foundation, a commitment, a family, a relationship, or if it's an opportunity, a stable opportunity, whatever it is, and you are victorious also in this direction. People are looking up to you. You have emerged victorious in this effort of yours, whatever balancing you have done or moderation you have done in your life as for now. And what I feel, it is more of a relationship, okay, and you are victorious in that. But what I feel here is that You are definitely getting away with something. Some sort of deception is there in a situation. Some sort of deception is there. Getting away with something, sneaking away some sort of information, something. Definitely there is some sort of cheating going on. Something is what I feel is, because it's followed by the Ace of Cups. So, oh my God, yeah, it came out like this, no? So behind the scenes, some sort of cheating is going on, some sort of deception is going on, Aquarians. Definitely behind the scenes, something like that is happening. So to the society, in front of everyone, you are victorious, you won, but I think this is the way that you've won. You've cheated in some way, shape, or form. You've hidden some sort of information, you've carried away some information, some relationship or something like that. Some sort of theft, cheating, deception is going on behind the scenes. Okay. But the thing is that you are emotionally fulfilled, totally emotionally fulfilled, and feeling very happy with those fulfilled emotions. So what I feel here is that though it is bringing you a lot of laurels, victory and emotional satisfaction, but the thing is that things are not happening in a fair way. Some sort of deception or cheating is going on in this situation, though it is giving you a emotional satisfaction. But what I feel here is that things are getting balanced, and here you are confused over something. I think because there was some sort of deception over here, now things have started playing their role. Now you are in a fix as to what to do, what not to do. It's something like that. If it is a relationship, perhaps it was some sort of cheating was going on, cheating of emotions perhaps, or somebody was toying with the feelings of the other person. It can be that also. Maybe you're not caring much for the feelings of the other person perhaps, though you yourself are emotionally satisfied and happy, but you're playing with the feelings of the other person perhaps. But justice is being served, things are getting balanced, but there is some situation which is calling in for there is a lot of confusion in your head, and you really don't know what to decide. You are being in touch with your intuition to make a decision, not taking much action though, giving that time to yourself and trying to understand as to what should be done, going within, seeking answers within yourself, and you are able to find some sort of stability. And again, here we have the Two of Cups, which is talking about that relationship, that happy relationship. Okay, so I think that then maybe something happens which leaves you confused because there was deception, and then you just do what you feel is right to regain this stability in this connection. Okay, here again there is some event over here, some talk, some problem is there, in which people are leaving you though, but you've defeated them. They are leaving you. Either you are victorious, or there has been an argument or a dispute. Something is definitely happening over there, which is emotionally also it is causing you some problem. Okay, I think it is a thing of a relationship, because here also we have a couple, here again a couple, here again I'm following here with the Lovers card, and the Devil is also a sort of negative Lovers card, I would like to say. So what I feel is that though you try to achieve that balance or transparency in the situation, but then again there is some sort of an argument, and though you are able to win that argument, but the thing is that this relationship is being governed by something negative and very, very controlling and toxic actually. Okay, somebody here is very, very controlling and very, very dominating perhaps. So now here I think, and here is the Lovers card also. Just see. The Two of Cups, the beautiful energy, and the Devil and the Lovers. So it's talking about a relationship 100%. These cards I've never seen all the three coming out in one reading, but I think we are talking over here about a toxic relationship, and it needs to be a transparent and a beautiful relationship. That's what the call of the situation is, but it's not just happening. And it is not happening because of the fact that somebody is very, very dominating, negative mindset, some bitterness, some anger, some jealousy. It can be domination, it can be jealousy, it can be overbearing attitudes, controlling, too controlling, or even cheating, playing with the feelings of the other person, not understanding the feelings of the other person, whatever. But we have the Wheel of Fortune over here. So things do change. Things do change. But the Wheel of Fortune is karma. It's karma. So you will get in return what you are doing, basically, whosoever it is. Again over here with the same, with another deck I have the High Priestess. Again over here High Priest. You are dealing with the situation, trying to listen to your inner voice and trying to balance the situation and trying to do what you feel is right for the situation, and you do. You are successful to some extent. Again over here we have a celebration in some way, shape or form. So what I feel here is that it is a relationship which requires some sort of balance. It is a relationship, it needs to be balanced over here. And if you let go of these negative things, whatever they are, things will be balanced, because there is love in the situation. It's not that love is not there in the situation. The thing is that somebody is trying to have their own way. Number 17 or number 8 may be of some significance for you. Celebration. It's a wonderful time in your life. Difficulties fall away and light at the end of the tunnel is the star you can wish upon. The timing is right to make long-term plans for a jovial future. Have faith that things are going to turn out beautifully. So that's what I feel, that have faith. You are trying to amend it, but again and again it is falling into the same trap, because here you are able to balance it with the Two of Cups. Though you started as a beautiful energy, you are victorious, but some toying of feelings is there. Somebody is not taking care of the feelings of the other person, cheating, theft, whatever it is. And again, once you are confused, things don't, some sort of imbalance arrives, then you try to balance the situation, you do achieve the balance. Again there is some problem over there because of the controlling attitude of the person, but you are still able to regain it with the Lovers over here. So love is there, the only thing is things are too controlled. That's what I feel. Number 22 or number 4 may be of some significance for you. Heart of the matter. There is more going on than meets the eye. What did I say? There is triumph and there is victory, but there is cheating behind the scenes. Something else is happening behind the scenes. Some sort of deception, some sort of cheating. There is something more which is going on behind the scenes, which needs to be understood, which needs to be sorted out, so that you are able to achieve happiness and move things in your favor. I think you need to look into the details so that you are able to identify what the problem is, so that you can sort it out. That's what I feel, Aquarians. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.